Hello guys, welcome to Tech Corner. Let me show you how to put your name on the screen. Let your name be displaying like this on the screen. As you can see, Tech Corner is showing here. Let me show you some easy and simple steps in just a minute on how to do it. Just bring down your control center. Bring down your control center. Hold on this autofocus. Add on new focus. Tap on new focus. Customize. Type in the name you want to use. Let me type pastel. You can change the color of the font. You can also add an icon close to it. Select any of the icons if you feel like you want. Let's add this icon. Click on next. Customize focus. Now you can close it. Come back and bring down your control center. Hold on this. Select it. It's turned on. Then lock your screen and see if it works. Now you can see you now have Basi below here. So this is how to add your name on your iPhone display screen. Try it and let me know if it works in the comment section.